So, do you know that the equation here is the quadratic formula, and it's one of the most famous mathematical formula, and it can be derived using completing the square. Let me show you how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is to write out the standard quadratic formula. A squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then we subtract c from both sides. Then the new equation will be ax squared plus bx equals minus c. Okay, so of course plus c minus c will cancel out each other. So we'll be having ax squared plus bx equals minus c. So at this point we've eliminated the c out of the left hand side. So we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x squared, which is a. So we have ax squared over a plus b over ax equals minus c over a. A cancel a, and the new equation is ax squared plus ba x equals minus c over a. Now here comes the most important part of the derivation. So we have to add the square of half the coefficient of x to both sides. As you can see, the coefficient of x here is b over a, and we're going to add the square of half of b over a to both sides. And what that means is ax squared plus b over ax plus 1 over 2 times b over a, close brackets, raised to the power of 2. So we added the square of half of the coefficient of bx to both sides, and we have to do that to the right hand side as well. Minus c over a plus 1 over 2 times b over a squared. So we have to simplify the bracket by saying x raised to the power of 2 plus b over a x plus b over 2a, close bracket, raised to the power of 2 equals minus c over a plus b over 2a, brackets raised to the power of 2. You get the drill. So we expand the bracket by saying x raised to the power of 2 plus b over ax plus b squared. Okay, we cannot find the square of b, it's an alphabet, so we just write b squared. But of course we can find the square of 2, which is 4, and we have a raised to the power of 2 because we can find the square of a either, and is equal to c over a plus b squared equals 4a squared. So the left hand side can also be simplified into x plus b over 2a, close bracket, raised to the power of 2 equals minus c over a plus b squared equals 4a raised to the power of 2. So we find the i's common factor of the right hand side, and you use 4 over a squared. A squared is like a times a, that's a2. So when we divide it by a, we're going to have minus 4ac plus b squared, because 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1. Then we multiply that make b squared. Now the new equation is going to be x plus b over 2a, close bracket, raised to the power of 2 equals b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So at this point, okay, we have to eliminate the square on the left hand side, and to do this we have to square root both sides. So you square root both sides, and square cancels square, and the fact that we square root both sides, we have to introduce the symbol plus or minus to the right hand side. So the new equation will be x plus 2 over 2a equals plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 4 root 4, okay, and root a squared. So we're going to square root the denominator, so the square root of 4 is 2, and square cancels square. So the new equation, of course, is going to be x plus 2 over a equals plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, and of course our equation is already showing its face, so we have to make x the subject of formula, and as you can see the only thing stopping it is b over 2a, and you can see it has the positive sign, so we have to subtract b over 2a from both sides. When we do that, we have x plus b over 2i minus b over 2i equals plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2i minus b over 2i. And of course, b over 2a minus b over 2a cancel out each other. So the equation stands x equals plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2i minus b over 2i. And this same equation, okay, can be written as x equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, and the fact that they both are the same denominator, you divide the equation by 2, and there is the quadratic equation. X equals minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2i. Simple, right?